Hi, in the previous lectures we've learned how could we retrieve posts from our database using tags or using categories. In this video we will start by adding our comments to our models.py. As we see in the previous lecture, we need to add comments to our application. We need to enable users to put comments, to leave comments, and so on. So we will start doing this in this lecture. First of all, we need to create a new model for saving these comments in our database. But first, let's take a look at the comments and the templates. We need to take only the user who put or who left this comment, the rate of the comment. We need also the comment body. We need an image, but there is no need for this actually right now because we don't have a users with image and so on. So we will only use the title, the rate, and the body. So let's do this. Let's open our app, the blog app. Let's open models.py. And here let's create a new post, a new model. So we will see class comments. This class inherits from models.model. And here we need to create the model content. First of all, the model have a user and have also content and have a created date. Okay. So first of all, this is a relation between the users, this user, and the Django and our comments model. So we will take this line copy and we will put it here. This is a relation between the user and our model comments. And here we need the content, so we will say models.text field, and created this. We will use the timezone.now as we done before, models.time field, just like this. Okay. Now we've just created our models. This comments belongs to any post. We need to connect our model to the post model. So here we will see the post equal to, this is also a relationship between this model and the post model, just like this. So every comment had the user, the post, the content, and the created. This is awesome. Let's make migration because we've added a new model to our database, and let's migrate to apply this migration to the database. We've created our comments model. As we learned before, after we add a new model, we should add this model to our admin.py. So here we need to import this model comment, and now we need to add this model to our database to the admin. So we will say admin.site.register this comment. Now let's refresh our page. Let's open home, and we have comments. If we add comment, we can pick a user, we can choose any post, and we can good or thanks, and let's hit save, and we've just created a new comment on this post. Let's fix this issue as we've learned before. We will add only the SOR function, just like this, and this will retrieve the post, just like this. Okay, now we need to create a new form or a new view first to enable the user to create a new comment. But first, where is the comments? The comments in our front end or on our website, the detail view. So we can handle this comments from our detail view. So here on our used py, this is our detail view. So we can handle our comments from here. But first we need to create a new form for our comments. So in our blog, we will create a new file. We will call it forms.py. And here we need to import forms from Django, import forms, and we need to create a new form class. Let's say comment form. This will inherit from forms.model form. Okay, because we were about to create a new form that depends on a model. So let's create our meta class, and here let's say model equal to, we need to import the model. So let's say from dot models import comment. So models equal to comment. Okay, and here the fields equal to, and let's set our fields. First of all, we need only to show the user the content. So we will say content. Yeah, just like this. Okay, now we have our form, our comment form. We need to import this form and our views, and we need to handle this form from our front end so that we can submit new comments to our post and so on. And we need also to show the comments on every post, and we will do this on the next lecture.